Hi, I'm Sean Fawcett from East Coast Yacht Sales. I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough tour of this beautiful 2024 Rosborough 246 Halifax. This boat is in perfect condition. It's powered by twin Honda 150 horsepower engines, which have 160 hours on them. This boat's got a trailer ready to go and take you anywhere you want to go. Let's have a look. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough tour of this Rosborough 248 Halifax. She's a beautiful boat, like new condition, ready to go. For more information, please contact me, Sean Fawcett, East Coast Yacht Sales.